So we've been doing Sounds Right for about 3 years now, and we started off in the lower grades, just pre-primary and year one, and then we've been rolling it out 1 year at a time since then.
Great, and how's it going?
It's going really well, especially as we're now into our third year. We've got our year three teachers have just had a group of kids come in, and they've been doing it for 2 or 3 years now. And there's a really noted difference amongst those kids. The lessons go a lot quicker. They just get onto it. They know the terminology, they know the routines, and they can just get straight into those trickier sounds in the extended code. Yeah. So that's worked out really well on a lot of fronts. From a financial point of view, it's been a little bit easier to train teachers in groups. And then from an implementation point of view, where we've been able to just focus on a smaller group of teachers 1 year at a time and make sure they get the support they need to be able to get the program running properly. Yeah.